Haukiba September 28 chaliba tha asigi ahum fawba Manipur dagi senior journalist ahumgi team amana Maharashtra gi Pune city da chatuna mafam adudi tongan ba masak nairaba miyoi kangbu kayaga unaduna tha 19 changlaklaba kukina maitei gi mathakta chatharakiba lan asigi matangda marik chumna khanghankhre loinena Manipur da mahausa gi fiwam da hanjil hannaba chapchaba thabak paikhatnaba center da taksingani haina thazaba pirakre Pune da chatuna miyoi section kayaga unaduna Manipur da thokliba irang asigi matangda marik chumba wari khanghalluba paumi sing adudi senior journalist sing 𝗠𝗔𝗥𝗜𝗞 𝗖𝗛𝗪𝗍𝗔 Sarma amadi kaisam yaifabani numit tarukni gi khongchat aduda team asina Nationalist Congress Party NCP gi president MP 𝗧𝗢𝗡𝗪𝗢𝗔 unaduna Manipur gi matangda wari sanaki Magna tha 18 helaba irang asi hauzik fawba loshindabada nungaitaba phongdoraki Magna Prime Minister Narendra Modi da Manipur da athuba matamda santi puraknaba thabak paikhatnaba haigani hana thasaba piraki
एक्चुअली हम भी तो जर्नलिस्ट हैं आपकी जैसा हम महाराष्ट्र में एक टूर आया था तो महाराष्ट्र का पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स और एक सिविल सोसाइटीज एनजीओ काफ़ी लोगों से हम मिले हैं तो हम शरद पवार जी से हमने ये विनती किया है कि मणिपुर का भी क्राइसिस हुआ है उसको जल्द से जल्द शांति में लाने के लिए दोनों समुदायों को आपस में बातचीत करने के शुरू करने के लिए अगर शरद पवार जी कुछ बात करेगा तो सेंट्रल लीडर भी मानेगा और उसने भी खुद कहा है कि वो इंडिया के प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी से भी बात करेंगे और जल्द से जल्द मणिपुर में शांति ला जाएगा ऐसा कहा है शरद पवार जी ने एंड आई थैंक्स अ लॉट टू द पीपल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र थैंक यू सो मच
Khongchat aduda senior journalist ki team asina Pune city ki masak naraba educationalist political leader sportsperson entrepreneur industrialist businessman theater personality kaya amadi social reformation organization gi luchingba singa unaduna Manipur gi maramda akupa wafam sing khanghal lamki hari loina Maharashtra khakta natana India da maming leiraba social activist amadi trade union leader Dr. 𝗬𝗪𝗏𝗏 amadi maki follower kaya ga su unaduna Manipur da kamdauna kuki singna maitegi mathakta lan haurakibano habegi matangda marik chumba wari liduna khanghanki panba yabadi chai marifudara mari suraba Dr. 𝗬𝗪𝗏𝗏 masamak India gi minority tribal amadi Adivasi singi damakta chahi kaya thabak tawduna laklaba miyoini haukiba chahi gi May 3 gi matungda Delhi Jantar Mantar da pangthokiba kuki sing yawba India gi Adivasi amadi scheduled tribes singi protest singda Maitai gi mayokta laukiba kangbu gi marakta amani Senior journalist ki team aduna Dr. 𝗬𝗪𝗏𝗏 amadi mahaki khongloi singa yamna sangna wari sanaduna amadi yetna duna kaina thangda wakhal tahanba ngamki makhoida kuki singna hana aranba wari kaya lisinduna maitaibu lana lawduna lairambani hari konadi Dr. 𝗬𝗪𝗏𝗏 masamangna India gi president prime minister union home minister amadi Manipur gi chief minister da chithi iduna irang asi athuba matamda loishinaba community anige marakta dialogue tawhannaba taksingani haina thazaba piraki Team asina Pune gi masak naiba media house singi mihut singasu unaduna irang asigi matangda paudamki loinena kuki militant singna faduna hostess oina thamlaga makhoigi terrorist luchingba makti hawkika sinanaba demand tawrakpagi matangdasu paudamki Pune da based over Sarhat Koba Educational Amadi Social Charity Organization Amana Sinduna Maharashtra Sahitya Parishad ki auditorium da haukiba September 13 da pangthokpa interaction program amada Manipur gi journalist ahumna wa ngangki thoramadu da Pune gi masak nairaba aiba sahityakar sing senior journalist sing masak naiba editor sing educationalist social worker Government official amadi mahiroi kiyasu saruyaki thoram aduda 𝗠𝗔𝗥𝗚𝗞 amadi ke yaifabana wangangki 𝗠𝗔𝗥𝗚𝗞 irang asi khulai paiba kuki singna Churchandpur da chatkiba khongsat amadagi kamdauna horakibano haibadu marik chumna paudamki loinana Pune gi amadi Maharashtra gi wakhal leiraba citizen singna center da pressure piduna Manipur da athuba matamda santi puraknaba honabada mating pangbiyu haina appeal tawki
Actually, I think from you guys, you must know that what is happening in Manipur for the last 17 months. Manipur में भी शांति नहीं है. We want peace and we need your support, the people of Maharashtra. We need your help and support so that Manipur can have peaceful like any other state. Manipur deserve peaceful. It is I feel very sad that when I see the people of other state enjoying the life of developing India, whereas people of Manipur are suffering. We are living in fear every day. The people of Manipur are living in fear every day. Anything can happen anytime. Where militants keep firing, they are using drones, bomb, and the projectile missiles, killing civilians, and it is a huge disappointment. Manipur is so unpredictable. Anything can happen anytime. It's terrible. Even though we are in Pune, we keep calling our family what's happening, and we tell you encounter. So we are living here. Since the last 18 months, we suffered a lot. Around 20 to 130 people were killed, and more than 60,000 people were homeless. Now they are staying at different regions across the state.
The government of Manipur had some years back released information about the unnatural growth of 996 new villages in Manipur's Kuski-inhabited districts due to illegal immigration from Myanmar, which posed a great threat to the indigenous people and national security. The indigenous people of Manipur are Meiteis and Nagas. The Kukis, in fact, from Myanmar. Some decades back, somewhere about 40 to 50 years back, the number of Kuki population in Manipur was very less, very few. Now, the number of Kuki population is nearly that of Meitei, the majority. We want the central government to pay attention and to take certain concrete steps. Only then peace will return, solution will be found. First thing, what the central government has to do is, they should tell the Kuki militant groups which are in suspension of operation agreement. Suspension of operation. So the central government should tell them, stop firing. Stop firing, stop attacking the Meitei villages. Why are you firing? Still firing. Come on, stop. It is time. You have fired enough for the past 18 months. Why don't you stop now? Let us come to the negotiating table. The central government should tell them